A spherical uniform planet is rotating about its axis. The velocity of a point on its equator is v. Due to the rotation of the planet about its axis, the acceleration due to gravity at the equator is equal to half at that of poles. Okay, half of g at the poles. The escape velocity of the planet on the pole of the planet is in the terms of v will be equal to. Now let me consider any planet over here. Okay, such that this are the poles and this is the equator. If I consider a body over here and the planet is rotating with the angular velocity omega, I will convert it in terms of linear velocity later. Okay, I will convert it into the linear velocity later. And if I consider the mass m over here, okay, it will have certain acceleration due to gravity in this direction, and there will be opposite acceleration a dash in the opposite direction. So I can say that g dash, that is the variation in the gravity due to variation over here in the gravity due to the rotation of the planet, it will be equal to g dash is equal to g minus omega square r cos square phi. Okay, so now at the point on the poles, g dash will be equal to g. Okay, let this be equation number 1. Okay, because over here phi over here will be equal to 90 degree, so cos phi will be equal to 0. At equator I can say that g dash will be equal to g minus omega square r. Okay, because over here phi is equal to 0 degree, or cos phi over here will be equal to 1. Okay, at the equator. Okay, so now it is given that g dash is half g. Okay, so half of the g at the pole, so it will be equal to g by 2. Okay, is equal to g minus omega square r. Okay, so basically this part can be written as g omega square r will be equal to g divided by 2. Okay, let this equation be as it is. Let me write this equation as equation number 2. Okay, let me write this equation as equation number 2. Omega square r is equal to g by 2. Okay, I will substitute this later. Okay, I will substitute this value later. Now if I take any body on the surface of the poles, okay, now since it is at rest, I will assume that this is at rest, so the escape velocity will be equal to root 2 gm divided by r. For any given planet, it will be equal to root 2 gm divided by r. Okay, now gm can be written as, it will be written as gm over here is written as gr square. Okay, so it will be equal to 2gr. Okay, basically it will be equal to 2gr. Okay, so so now I can write g as root 2. G can be written as, okay, g over here can be written as 2 omega square r into over here into r. Okay, so this will be equal to, so this will be escape velocity basically will be equal to 2 into omega r. Omega r is the velocity. Okay, omega r is the velocity at this point. Okay, omega into r will be the velocity at the equator. So I can say that the escape velocity will be equal to 2 times the velocity at the equator, which is equal to over here option number A.